Today I'm going to show you how to make your own sea salt spray at home so you can add some volume and texture to your hair. So if you have straight hair like me, this is going to be something that's really good to use so it can give you that little bit of extra bounce. All you're going to need to make this is some warm water, some salt, a spray bottle. Add the water to the salt. The reason that you're going to use warm water is so it dissolves a little bit easier. Once that's in the spray bottle, you're then going to add some oil to the mixture. That could be an argan oil, a castor oil, could be a rosemary oil, because salt water will dry your hair out, so you want to add some oils in to help it keep hydrated. Once you've added that in, you're going to shake it up and then you're going to give it a try. Preferably you want to be applying the sea salt spray when your hair is already damp, so after a shower is perfect, because you don't want to be washing those natural oils out of your hair. This is why I also mentioned to put some oils in there. Or second or third day hair is perfect for utilizing sea salt spray on. So spray it all over your head, massage it in, and then you're just going to blow dry your hair in the direction that you're wanting it to sit, whatever style you're looking for. And there you go, you can add some volume and texture to your hair by simply using some sea salt, some water and some oil from home. So this is a much cheaper alternative to all of the products you get out there. Now don't get me wrong, this is not exactly what you would buy on the supermarket in a salon, but it is relatively close. It gives you a very similar kind of hairstyle. That's all I have in my hair right now. My hair is quite long, my hair is quite thick, and I do have straight hair like you've seen at the beginning of this video. It's given me a bit of volume, it's given me a bit of texture, and I personally think it's just a great thing to use. Hopefully this video may have been helpful to you. Remember to like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you on my next video.